Hi, welcome to Krismaya Guru. In previous class, we have introduced you to the MS Word, and in this class, we will be learning about MS Word basics. Let's start. Today, we will be learning about the file, like how to manage the file. We have info overview. In the info tab we have a lot of options, but in this class we'll be showing you the overview. Next is new, so this is to create new file, and save, to save the file and save the contents of the file. We have save as, to save the file into another name or a different type, and we have print, to print the document, and then closing the open document. Whatever we have opened, that we will close using close button. Let's start with the Word. This is the MS Word window. Now here is the file menu. If you click on this, you will see lot of options to manage the file, like a home, and we have new. So new is used to create new document. When you click on that, you can see the blank document. Do you want to create blank document? You can click over here, or you have the templates below here. So the templates are reusable formats of Word, so you can use these to simplify Word work. Based on your need, you can use, like if you want some templates for resume, you can use here, so on. So there are many templates available, you can use based on your choice. Yeah, now click on blank document to create a new document. This is a fresh document, and you can see it's all empty. And here document 2, what is this? This is by default the name of the document, but this is not saved at. So go to the file. Okay, let's make some changes here. Welcome to Krismaya Guru. We type some more information over here. So you can type like this, and you have a lot of options. Those we will learn in upcoming videos. So click on file. Now go to save. So now let's go to info. So when you click on info, you see the options related to the document, like information, and also how to protect, inspect, version history, manage document. So protect document is to protect the document, like there are many options. These we will see in more detail in upcoming series. So next is inspect document, to check if any issues are there. This is also very helpful. Before publishing, we need to make sure the document is issues free. So there are options available for checking issues. Then we have version history over here, to check previous version and what is current version. And then manage document. Manage document, right side you can see the properties, like it is not saved yet, so the size is not determined, and number of pages and number of words in it, like 11 words we have so far, and total editing time, if it will also be shown here, and the title of the document, and so on. And we have dates fields here like last modified, when it was created, and when it was printed. So all those details will be available. Next is like who is the author and last modified by, so on. So this is a more about document information and also protection and inspection of the document. Now let's click on save and give the file name. Go to the path, where do you want to save. So I choose a desktop and choose my folder, and then give a file name here. This is the file name you want to give for your document. So let's type in MS Word part 1 basics and click on save here. Now you can see that MS Word part 1 basics, our file name is there, and also the status saved to this PC. Now let's go on to save as. Click on file, go to save as, and you can give save as here different name. If you want to save this document into a different name, you can give. I am creating a new copy of this, so I can name it and click on save. Now you can see that the new file name is being shown here, right? So let's make some changes now to a new copy. Yes, this is a new copy of the original file, right? Now click on save, or you can go to file and click on the save here. So yeah, the changes are saved now. Now let's go to file and learn about print. When you click on print wizard will open, that has print button over here, and we have copies, like number of copies to be printed, like you can up, down, or also you can enter your own number of copies here. Then we have printer name. This contains all the list of printers over here, and you can choose the one which you want to print. So right now we have chosen one printer. Then there are settings related to printing. So these we will learn in detail in the upcoming videos. And here you can see the print preview, how the document is going to be after printing, and also there are more settings for the print. You can adjust the margins over here, and number of pages per sheet you can control, like one page, 2 page, or 4 page per sheet, so on. And then finally click on the print button. Now close. So we have opened the document. Now we can click on that. So the document we opened was closed. Now see, this is the first document we opened. Now we can open the file which we saved. So go to the browse and choose your the path of the folder and the file, and click on open here. You can see the document we just opened now. Making some changes now. We can save. That's all about the basics in brief. In next video we will be learning about basics in detail. Hope you will follow all the videos of Krismaya Guru for MS Word learning, and let's meet in the next video. Thank you. Bye.